Look, guys, we're out in the blizzard.
Yeah, the governor went on the news and said that everyone needs to stay off the roads.
Well, this road isn't bad right now.
So we decided to go on the road.
Steven doesn't have work today because of this.
Yay! Yay for Stevie. It's just a good old-fashioned nor'easter, you know?
Look, I got a new camera mount so we can do vlogs in the car now.
No one cares about your mounts. So we're off to the supply store, aka the convenience store. Pick up some junk food.
We're not the only people out, though. There's a Jeep.
No.
I missed
You know
my
why
Jeep.
other people are out? Because people have balls.
Red light.
Okay? The ones that are like, I can't go out there, the governor said no.
It's the people that aren't originally from here. If you lived in New England all your life, you know what snow is.
Just like me, I'm from fucking Florida. When a hurricane comes through and I'm like, alright, let's crack open a beer and fucking sit on the back porch and watch the devastation.
Yeah,
Other
but you
people are
lived
like,
in...
oh my god! Oh my god,
You
close
lived in
everything up!
Massachusetts first, and then you moved to Florida.
Yeah. Nothing phases me.
All
I
right.
am a man. And he is, I don't know what he is yet.
He's not liking the snow, that's what he is.
Hey, you gone cross-eyed, what's up? What did he just call me? Alright.
That's it. Alright, so this is the same road now on the way back. It's already...
4 minutes.
Yeah.
It's been 4 minutes.
It was totally clear on the way there. We just got some Dunkin' Donuts.
4 minutes.
We came out of the store and the side of the car was already caked in snow. It's like the heavy, sticky, icky kind.
This is, yeah, that heavy, wet, slushy, snowman snow.
This is the
Snowball
ice cream
snow.
place. The ice cream place that we never go to, even though we live right near it. It's closed now, obviously, but it's open.
Yeah,
in
the Sugar
summertime.
Hill Dairy over in Hudson Farm.
Wait, we've only been there, what, once? Or did we go twice?
We went twice.
They have good ice cream.
In
I don't know why it stopped because the phone call was calling from Xfinity.
why?
I don't know. Because I have the Xfinity app on my phone. So when the house phone rings, my phone gets an alert.
Well, everything looks like shite.
Yeah, look how much worse this road got. It looks
It's gonna be
though.
one hell of an old race stop.
Steven will be snow blowing in shorts.
I wouldn't do
Look
that.
at, let's
again.
show the house that they just built really shittily that they want $500,000 for. Where is it?
It's coming up. It's right around this.
I wonder how much the one they built right next to it sold for. Because
I
it's
think that
basically
one
the
was,
same
I
thing.
think that one was 385.
Alright, not this green one, but this one right
This
here.
one after the blue light.
No, it's that.
Oh, this one.
It's
Yeah,
this
yeah,
one. That is not a friggin' almost $500,000 house. I'm sorry. It was made with like a friggin' thin ass wood.
It was all press board, OSB, exterior grade.
Well, no wonder it hasn't sold yet.
It was just all junk. I framed houses. I've built that stuff, and I'm telling you right now that house was built like total shit, with total disregard for the future of that home or 100 years. You know how many houses you see on Zillow or Trulia that were built in 1900 or
granted,
1850?
we don't live in like a area that gets like hurricanes or we get snow. The roof on that house will probably collapse.
Jesus, look at our road.
Look at our road is totally covered. That's redonkulous.
It wasn't like this when I lived. You can't
at-
even see my tire
Our neighbor
tracks.
didn't go to work today either. Everybody must have the day off.
Ready? Ready?
No. Oh, there goes the frickin' food, Steven. Don't do that. No, I hate that because the friggin' bumper on our car is so low. I'm so paranoid that it's gonna get friggin' smashed off. Alright, let's go have Dunkin' Donuts.
Let's go have some dunk.
I'm hungry. This is a short little video, but just to show the people in like California that watch me how awesome snow is.
Look at the tree that fell last season from the snow. Can you see it? That's right about. Where's my finger mark? Where's the camera? There it is. Can you stay still? It's right.
I'm trying. I'm zoomed in though, so you fucking. Alright. Say bye.
Goodbye.